Welcome to the world of children's videos. It's video collection special favourites for our young audience, beginning with the adventures of Thomas the Tank Engine and friends.
Hurry up, Thomas.
Life on the island of Sodor can be very busy, but the engines enjoy their work on the railway. Sometimes the adventures Thomas has with his friends land them in trouble.
Boxes and bags burst everywhere. Oh! Groaned Percy. Careful, Thomas, called his driver, but it was too late.
Thomas came off the rails and Percy sunk.
Ow! Exclaimed Percy.
So join Thomas, Percy, James, Toby, Gordon and the Fat Controller for lots of Thomas the Tank Engine adventures. From trains to canal boats, it's that troublesome twosome Rosie and Jim. Come aboard the Ragdoll with John, Jim and of course Rosie as they cruise into all sorts of tangles. Oh no, what would John say? And they meet all sorts of creatures.
Excuse me, are you a monster? Rosie and Jim, Rosie and Jim.
Even John faces one or two problems. But it's all great fun for Rosie and Jim.
One,
Deux,
two,
trois, say bonjour to...
Tots TV! I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tub.
Tiny.
We're the Tots and Tots TV.
1, 2, 3, go.
I didn't say go
I'm
yet.
Tiny Tilly and Tom like to try fun new games and make fun new things.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm a
Je
tot.
suis une Tots TV.
Tub.
But sometimes the things they do don't go quite as planned. So join those three on Tots TV. And when it comes to mischief, there's only one place to be, with Ratty, Toad and Mole in the classic story of Wind in the Willows.
He's on the open road.
Rambling where you please on the open road.
But what happens when Toad goes too far?
Been found guilty on the clearest evidence. 19 years.
19 years?
And another year for being green. 20 years.
And the weasels take over. Find out in the exciting adventures of the Wind in the Willows. Yes, it certainly is a children's world with so many great video stories to choose from.
Deux,
two,
trois, three.
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny.
We're the Tots of Tots TV.
1, 2, 3, boo.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's all right, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny,
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3, boo.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny, we take our magic bag with us. Sac magique, sac magique. Millie, it's a secret.
It's time to go now.
Come on.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny,
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, boo. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny,
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir? What will we see? Jane!
I'm going to look at an animal that has very flat feet and it waddles like this.
Regarde, c'est Jane.
Yeah, she's going to see an animal with flat feet.
Yes, and he waddles.
Le dandinet.
Waddle, 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 waddle.
Waddle, 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 waddle,
Waddle,
waddle,
waddle,
waddle,
waddle,
waddle,
waddle, waddle,
There you are. I've been looking for you. This is a young penguin.
Oh, look at that! Look! Tilly Tom, look!
That's a penguin, that is.
Oui, c'est un pingouin.
So that is who was doing all the waddling.
And penguins have very flat, webbed, waddly feet. I'm going to show us some waddling. That's it. Oh, and hops too.
Flat, webbed feet.
Yeah. Waddly feet.
Oui,
And penguins are black and white. White on their front and black down their backs.
il est tout blanc devant.
Yeah, he's all white down his front.
Yeah, and he's all black on his back.
All penguins have very special feathers. And this one's got two sorts of special feathers. It's got the very soft, fluffy baby feathers. And on its flippers, you can see the grown-up feathers starting to come through. And they're small and shiny and help to keep the penguin dry even when it's in the water.
Des plumes toutes douces. Oui. Yeah, soft, fluffy feathers.
Naughty old Tots.
Right. Are you ready to go back to your friends? Come on then. Off we go. Come on. We can go now. Come on. That's it. Come on then.
Hey, regarde. Hop. 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 Hop.
Waddle, waddle, hop, hop. Waddle, waddle, hop, hop. Waddle, waddle, penguin. Hop, 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 hoppity, 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 hop, 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 hoppity, hoppity, hop.
Penguins spend a lot of time swimming. Their special feathers keep them dry in the water.
Ark warm,
Ark dry.
Ark so safe and sound.
Ark is where the animals come.
When the waters cover the ground.
One day, Mr. Noah heard Cat calling him. Meow. Come and look at this, Mr. Noah. I can't see anything, said Cow. It's just a little bit of dazzlement on the water, said Mr. Noah. Meow. There is something. I can see it perfectly. It looks like birds floating on the water, said Mrs. Noah. Queer-looking birds, if you ask me, said Peacock. I know what they are. They're penguins, said Polar Bear, floating on some ice. Please help us. Our ice has nearly melted. Can we come on board? Of course you can, said Mr. Noah. Welcome to the Ark, little friends. I'm so pleased we have 2 more clever animals on our Ark, said Mr. Noah.
Sail, sail, sail away, sail across the sea. Blow, blow, far across the sea.
Excuse me, Tom. Come on out the way. I've got your sweet there now.
Sail, sail, sail away.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Est-ce que tu as terminé de balayer?
No, I haven't finished the sweeping yet, Tilly. Partly because Tom is sort of sitting in his boat exactly where I need to clean the kitchen floor.
No, Tilly, you see, the thing is, all over there, it's all sea, you see.
D'accord.
Tilly seems to have a plan. But I'll just carry on doing this for the moment.
Allez. Tiny. Chut. D'accord.
Tom,
Yeah?
just out of interest, what is it exactly that makes your boat go along?
Oh, Tiny,
Yeah.
this is a sailing boat, it is.
Yeah.
And the wind makes it go along like this, watch. Like that, see?
Oh, it's not a very, strong wind, though, is it?
It is quite a strong wind, watch. See, like that.
You you don't think that a stronger wind would actually make your boat sail a bit better?
Yeah, maybe just a little strong wind, but not too strong, Tiny.
All right. Well, maybe I'll just give a little blow.
Yeah.
All right, then.
Ready?
All right, ready?
Blow. Blow. Far across the sea. Oh, that was a strong wind.
Bonjour.
Hello, Tilly.
Dis donc, c'était un vent fort, hein?
Yeah, that was a very, very strong wind.
Help! 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 Rescue me, I'm in distress.
Tiny needs saving.
Oui,
Oh, well, let's have a look where.
il est là-bas.
Rescue me! Help! Help! Rescue me! Rescue me!
There's Tiny.
Oui,
Tilly,
oui.
how am I going to get over there?
Tom, ce dont tu as besoin, c'est d'un vent fort.
Oh, yes, that's what I need. A strong wind.
Oui.
Not too strong, though.
Non, non,
Ready?
non. Oui.
Right. Sail, sail, sail away. Sail across the sea. Blow. Blow. Blow.
Aye, sailor. Rescue me.
Yeah, Tiny.
Yeah.
I'm here to rescue you. What do I have to do next?
Well, I need to get in your boat.
What, in my little boat?
Yeah.
Tiny, this is only a little boat for one top.
Yeah, but Tom, I'm stuck here on this island in the middle of the sea, all on my own, and I need you to take me to safety in your boat.
Well, all right then, but you'll have to be careful it doesn't sink, Tiny.
Right, okay. Thanks.
Come on in. Right.
Oh, thank you ever such a lot for rescuing me, Tom. It makes all the difference.
Well, be careful. It's only a little boat.
Yeah, okay.
Careful,
Right.
tight.
Can I get in this bit?
Yeah, you're getting on.
All right.
Come in. Oh, careful, you'll sink me.
All right, all right.
You little boat.
Tom, au secours, sauve-moi.
Oh, no, Tilly needs rescuing now.
Oh, no, not another tot.
Merci,
Yeah.
Tom.
Get off. I can't rescue two tots. It's only a little boat.
Merci.
What you doing?
Oh, look, it's a big wave coming.
Oh, oui, oh là là.
Get off.
Oh, it's lifting the boat right up.
Hey, what you doing?
Oh,
Stop
look.
it.
Oh, it's really high up.
Attention, Tom, tu vas couler.
Yeah, you're sinking.
Oh, no. Stop it. What are you doing? Help.
Oh, no, it's all gone down.
Tom,
Tom,
Tom, ça va?
are you all right, Tom?
You big banana tot.
Yeah. Oh, that was a really good game.
Blub, 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 to the bottom of the sea.
Deux,
Two.
trois.
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
Je suis une totte.
Tom.
Tiny.
We're the tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3, blue. I'm a tot.
Je suis une totte.
Tom.
Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's all right, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une totte.
Tom.
Tiny,
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une totte.
Tom.
Tiny, we take our magic bag with us.
Sac magique, sac magique.
Minnie, secret.
It's time to go now.
Come on.
I'm a Tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
And Tiny.
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, boom! I'm a Tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
And Tiny.
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
What will we see?
Oh, regarde le ciel.
Oh, look in the sky.
Tots, those are kites, they are. Kites, up in the sky.
Okay, it's blowing around now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Been pulling hard. Hard luck, Sahel. Looks like your kite's broken. Look, I've broken the wood. It's easy enough to fix, though. I've got a spare piece here and put it straight in. So you undo that one, we'll cut the wood in. Okay, just pull that out. Put this in, and it'll soon be able to stand up to the wind again. And that side in there. That side in there. It's blowing around now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Been pulling hard.
Yeah.
You'll let out some more string. Woo! Fly away with you. Woo. There it goes.
I wish I could fly like a kite.
Mais Tom, tu n'es pas un cerf-volant.
Yeah, Tom, you're not a kite. You haven't even got a kite.
I wish I did have a kite.
Oh. Oh. Sac magique. Sac magique. Donne-nous un cerf-volant.
What is it?
I think I know what that is.
Oh là
What is it?
I think it's a kite.
Kite?
Lots of lovely wind for our kite. Now, I want you to help me fly it, all right? Hold that string nice and tight and run off down there. Don't stop running till I say so, right? Right, off you go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I am flying on a kite. Tiny, Tilly, you can stop running now. Woo! You can stop running. I said stop running now. Woo! Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh, Tom, tu es drôle.
Ow!
Tom, you are funny. Come on, get out. Come on.
Ow! Not funny.
Oh, Tommy, you just fell out of the sky.
It's not
funny.
Oh, it looks funny with your legs sticking up like that. Oh,
Oh, Tom, ne pleure pas.
don't cry.
Tom, oh, Tom, je t'aime bien.
Don't you cry. Dean is here, and so am I. Kites fly high in the sky, but tops stay on the ground.
Yeah, top stay on the ground.
2, 3. Sing away the wind blows. Off. Dancing away the wind blows all day long. This is the way the kites fly. Wash, 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 wash. Away the kites fly high into the sky.
Day, sweet big all the death away. There, that's better. Phew, what a windy old day.
God, this wind's really good today. I want to do it again.
Ah, Tiny! Ah, les vents, rends-moi mon chapeau!
Don't worry, Tilly. I'll get your hat. Oh no, it's gone over there now.
Sweet pig, sweet pig all the day. Sweet pig, sweet pig all the day. Sweet pig, sweet pig all the day. Sweet pig, all the dirt away. There, the top house looks nice and clean now. Yeah, much better.
Oh, hello, Tom. Let's get our schools, Tilly.
Tiny, Tilly, shut that door!
Pardon?
Shut the door!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, dear. Leaves all over my nice clean house. Still, it'll soon be all nice again. Sweep, sweep, sweet pig all the day. Sweet pig all the day. Sweet pig all the day. Sweet pig, all those leaves away.
Windy, windy wind. Come on, Tilly.
I'll soon have the nice top house all clean again. Now a bit more sweeping there.
Oh,
Tiny, Tilly, shut that door!
Oui, c'est drôle. Yes, brilliant.
Shut the door!
Mais qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Tom?
The matter is, Tilly and Tiny, that every time I make it all nice and clean here, you leave the door open and all those leaves blow all over my nice clean house.
Oh la la.
Oh dear, I see what you mean, Tom. Look at the state of it.
Mais regarde, Tom, il faut nettoyer.
Oh yeah, that's what you need to do, Tom. Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oui. Oui, Tom, regarde. Nettoyer, nettoyer, nettoyer.
Yeah, Tom, that's the way you want to do it. Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Tom?
Tom?
I know that. What do you think I've been doing all the time?
Et ferme la porte, Tom.
Yeah, Tom, shut the door.
Shut the door. Honestly. Oh! Need to shut the door. I've been sweeping all day, I have. Sweep. Sweeping. Windy. Wind. Hey, Tilly! Tiny! This is lovely, this wind. Tilly! Tiny! Windy. Tilly, Tiny! Tilly, Tiny, come outside. It's lovely and windy out here.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a dit?
I don't know, I can't hear a word he's saying.
I said, come outside. It's lovely windy out here.
Quoi?
What?
Yeah. I said, come outside.
Tom! Ferme la porte!
The door!
Oops, Daisy.
Deux,
2,
trois,
3.
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
je suis une torte télé.
Tom.
And Tiny.
We're the tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3, blue. I'm a tot.
Je suis une torte télé.
Tom.
And Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's all right, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une torte télé.
Tom.
And Tiny,
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3,
I'm a tot.
je suis une torte télé.
Tom.
And Tiny, we take our magic bag with us.
Sac magique, sac magique.
Minnie, it's a secret.
It's time to go now.
Come on.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une torte télé.
Tom.
And Tiny,
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, blue. I'm a tot.
Je suis une torte télé.
Tom.
and Tiny,
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
what will we see?
It's
Jane!
I'm going to see an animal who munches a lot. Oh, she's gone. She's chewed through her leash. I wonder where she could be. I'll have to go and look for her.
Oh la la.
Oh, dear, 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 dear. That animal's gone.
Yeah, I wonder which animal it is that can manage through a rope like that.
Je ne sais pas.
Yeah, I don't know either.
No.
Let's go and see.
Oui.
Now, where is she? There she is. So here you are. I might have known. Eating the flowers. This is a goat, and she's a nanny goat.
Oh, regarde. C'est une chèvre.
Yes, that's a nanny goat.
Yeah, a nanny goat. Munch, munch, munching.
And goats like eating just about anything. And if they could, they'd eat all of the time. Is that nice?
If she could, she'd eat all the time.
Oui, elle mange tout le temps.
Tilly, that's a bit like Tom, isn't it? He eats all the time.
Tiny, you naughty.
Goats have very unusual eyes. They look very different from ours.
Oh, regarde, les yeux sont différents.
Yeah, very different. Let's have a look at yours, Tilly. Oh, yeah, they're really different. All right.
And this goat has got a very long, hairy beard on its chin.
She's got a beard on her chin. Beard on her chin.
Come on then. If I leave you here, you'll end up eating everything. Come on, let's go.
Oh, come on.
There you go. That's a better place for you.
Oh, regarde, c'est la chèvre.
Yep, it's the goat. And guess what? She's eating.
Munch, munch, munch. Munch, 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 munch. Goat spends all day eating his lunch. Munch, 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 munch. Goats just eat all day. warm.
Ark dry.
Ark so safe and sound.
Ark is where the animals come.
When the waters cover the ground.
One day, Mrs. Noah was very cross. Someone's been stealing our food, she said. Meanwhile, the animals had discovered some food on the deck. Look what we found, said Lion. Someone spilled the beans, said Kangaroo. It's a trail of beans, said Mrs. Noah. Let's follow it and see where it leads. Greedy goat, said Mrs. Noah. You've eaten a whole sack full of beans. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Rah, said Lion, very angry. What can we do, said Mrs. Noah. I know, said Kangaroo. Let's all give up a bit of our dinner so Hungry Goat can have extra. How kind you all are, said Mr. Noah.
Donkey, donkey, donkey. I think I'm going to colour my donkey in red.
Ah, eh bien moi je vais colorier mon donkey en bleu.
Oh, you're going to colour your donkey in blue, are you?
Oui.
Oh, yeah. Oh, did I? Have you seen my red crayon anywhere?
Non, Tiny.
Oh, that's funny. I'm sure I had it in my hand. Oh, what's that?
Je ne sais pas. Mais qu'est-ce que c'est?
I don't know, did I?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
This is my big, hungry crocodile.
Oh, dear.
Big, hungry crocodile comes creeping. Look, looking. For his dinner!
Quick, give him something to eat! Give him something to eat! Give him something to eat! Oh,
He doesn't just want one crayon. My hungry crocodile wants all your crayons.
Oh, quick! Crayons! Quick, I want crocodile! More crayons!
Ah!
Oh, dear, look, there's no more crayons left.
Do you know what, Tots?
What?
My crocodile is still hungry!
Oh, no! Run away! Run away! Oh, no! Crocodile, go get it!
Tiny.
Yeah?
Tu crois qu'il est parti?
Yeah, I think he's gone, Tilly. That crocodile's really scary, isn't it?
Oui, et il est très 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 faim.
Yeah, because he's very hungry. But it's a good job he's not here because there's nothing he's going to eat.
Oh non.
The big, hungry crocodile. Rah! Cubs creep, creeping. Looking.
Where's he got Tilly? Where is he?
For his dinner.
Oh no, Tilly, quick, give him something to eat. Une cuillère. Oh, a spoon, yeah, oh là là. Oh no! Run away! Ah, secours, vite! Oh là là!
Yummy biscuits.
Non, attends.
Wait, those are our biscuits.
Oui, et il y en a un pour Tiny. Tiens, Tiny, voilà. Un pour Tom, voilà. Ça, c'est
Oh, yeah.
toi. Voilà. Un pour Tilly, c'est pour moi. Et un pour le crocodile. Voilà.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tom, because we couldn't let the crocodile eat all the biscuits because that's greedy.
Oui.
Yeah, that's true, crocodile. You can't have all the biscuits, because I want one.
Yeah.
Au revoir.
Biscuits.
Au revoir. Un biscuit et 2 biscuits pour Tilly.